This sandwich with nothing on it has level 3 sparkling power, level 3 encounter power, and level 3 title power. But the best part is, I didn't have to place any ingredients on the bread, and I didn't lose any Herba Mystica. I've tested how to do this for all 18 different types of sandwiches. Make sure you watch the first one so you know the process, but then I've got timestamps down here for all the different types. Go to whatever type of sandwich you need to make, and then you can make yours. Let's hop in. Alright, very important. Make sure you turn your autosaves to off and lay down a hard save. This is going to be how we make sure that no Herba Mystica is lost. Next, the second most important part is, in addition to you having your Switch, you will need a friend who has a Switch or a second Switch for yourself. Very important. Third step is, on this second Switch, if it's your friend's or yours, you will need a couple Herba Mystica. 2 salty and 1 spicy is enough to get you through all the different types. You just need those 2 and they'll be unlimited, as long as you have 2 salty and 1 spicy. Now let's start making sandwiches. Go ahead and have your second Switch host an offline union circle and join up with your primary Switch, which you're going to do your shiny hunting in. Once you're all linked up, have your secondary Switch go and start a picnic. Have your primary join that picnic and start a sandwich. For our first sandwich, we're going to do normal type. On your main Switch, all you're going to do is choose 1 rice and 1 mayo. On the second Switch or your friend's Switch, you're going to choose 1 rice and 2 salty Herba Mystica. Now is where the real magic happens. After the condiments are put onto the sandwich automatically, you're going to come up to the rice, pick it up, and drop it straight down. Don't put it on the sandwich. It takes 2 seconds. Drop it as quick as you can. Voila, your salty mayo sandwich with nothing on it. And now you will see this empty sandwich has sparkling, encounter, and title power, all level 3, all normal, without having to place a single topping on bread. It took 3 seconds, and now the final step to get your Herba Mystica back. That second Switch where you used your Herba Mystica, you're going to now force quit. So you're going to hit the home button, hit the X on your controller, and quit the game. This is going to, on your main Switch now, have it lose connection, but your time will still be going there while your second Switch is going back to its last save before you even had the Union Circle, where you still had that Herba Mystica. So just like that, you now have an easy sandwich where you did not use Herba Mystica and you didn't even have to put anything on the bread. Let's go to all the different types of sandwiches. Up next, we got the bug sandwich. Your primary is going to do 1 rice and 1 butter. Your secondary Switch is going to do 1 rice and 2 salty Herba Mystica. Salty and butter already goes down automatically. Take that rice, throw it away. Take that top bread, throw it away, put a pick in it. You got a buttery, salty sandwich. It's got level 3, level 3, level 3. We're good. Make sure you shut out your second Switch, and you're good to go. Start hunting bugs. Then we got water. For your main Switch, you're going to do 1 rice and 1 chili sauce. For your second Switch, you're going to do 1 rice and 2 salties. The chili sauce and the salty, it automatically gets put on. You're going to go grab that rice, drop it, bread, drop it, nothing on that sandwich other than those condiments. Pick goes in. You've got level 3, level 3, level 3, water. For electric, your primary Switch is going to do 1 rice and 1 jam. You're going to grab 1 rice and 2 salties on your secondary Switch. Jam and salty gets automatically put on. The 2 rices, you're just going to throw those away and throw the top bread away. There you go. Electric, 3, 3, 3, encounter, shining, and title. Up next is flying. Primary Switch is going to grab 1 rice and 1 ketchup. Secondary Switch is going to grab rice, salty herba, and salty herba. The ketchup and salty gets put down automatically. You go get that rice, throw this one away, throw that one away, throw the bread away. Voila, you have a flying level 3, level 3, level 3 sandwich. Go find your shiny flying Pokemon. Now we got fighting. Primary Switch, 1 rice, 1 marmalade. Secondary Switch, 1 rice, 1 salty Herba Mystica, 1 spicy Herba Mystica. That marmalade, salty, and spicy all gets put on automatically. Go grab that first rice, throw it away. Second rice, throw it in the dumpster. Top bread, throw it over your shoulder. And there you go. Fighting type, level 3, level 3, level 3. Go find those fighting types, nice and shiny. Ground type, primary Switch, 1 rice, 1 mustard. Secondary Switch, 1 rice, 2 salty Herba Mystica. Mustard and salty gets knocked down. you're gonna take those 2 rices and throw them away. Top bread, throw it away. And there's your ground sandwich, level 3, level 3, level 3. You're good to go. Go find your shiny ground Pokemon. Moving on to ghost types. Primary switch, you're gonna grab 1 rice and 1 olive oil. Secondary switch, grab 1 rice and 2 salty Herba Mystica. Olive oil and salty get put on automatically. Go grab that first rice, throw it away. Second rice, throw it away. Top bread, throw it away. We're very wasteful. Just like that, we're getting shiny ghosts everywhere, hopefully. We got level 3, level 3, level 3, title, shining, encounter, ghost. Now we've got steel types. Primary switch, 1 rice, 1 peanut butter. Secondary switch, 1 rice, 2 salty Herba Mysticas. Peanut butter and salties, they get put down automatically. Go take that rice, throw that one in the corner, throw that one in the other corner, throw this bread way over there, and there you go. Level 3, level 3, level 3. That's exactly what you want, all steel, love it. You're good to go now. Go find some shiny steel Pokemon. Ice Pokemon, primary is 1 rice and 1 pepper. Secondary switch is 1 rice and 2 salty Herba Mystica. Pepper and salty gets automatically put on. The rice, you're gonna throw it away. This rice, throw it away. Bread, throw it away. There is your salt and pepper sandwich of nothing. And ice, level 3, level 3, level 3, you love it. Psychic type, primary, 1 rice, 1 vinegar. Secondary switch, 1 rice, 2 salty Herba Mystica. Vinegar, salty, automatic. Rice, time to throw it away. 1 thrown away, 2 thrown away. Bread, throw it away too. Psychic 3, Psychic 3, Psychic 3, you love to see it. Dark types, primary, 1 rice, 1 yogurt. Secondary switch, 1 rice and 2 salty Herba Mystica. Yogurt, salty gets slathered on its own, and that rice we pick up and drop it. Other rice, pick up it and drop it. Sandwich bread, throw it away. There we have it. Level 3, dark sandwich, shining, title, encounter, love it. You got 30 minutes of dark, shiny hunting. Grass types, primary switch, 1 rice, 1 chili sauce, 1 olive oil. Secondary switch, 1 rice, 2 salty Herba Mystica. Chili sauce, olive oil, and salties, they get slathered automatically. The rice, you're gonna throw 1 and throw 2 away. Don't put it on the bread. Throw that top bread away too while you're at it. Now grass type, level 3 encounter, level 3 title, level 3 shining. Hunt for grass types for the next 30 minutes. Fire type, primary switch, 1 rice, 1 peanut butter, 1 olive oil. Secondary switch, 1 rice, 2 salty Herba Mystica. Peanut butter, olive oil, salty, they get put on automatically. These 2 rice, you're gonna throw them away. Top bread, throw it away. And now we have level 3 encounter, title, shining power, 4 fire type. Poison type, primary switch, 1 rice, 1 ketchup, 1 marmalade. Second switch is going to be 1 rice and 2 salty Herba Mysticas. Ketchup, marmalade, and salty, it goes down. It's disgusting. Rice, throw it away, you're so disgusted. Throw this rice away, you're so disgusted too. Top bread, it's not worthy. And just as it should be, this sandwich is poisonous and attracting poisonous Pokemon. You got level 3, level 3, level 3, and your primary switch is good to go for 30 minutes of poison type hunting. Dragon, primary switch, 1 rice, 1 pepper, 1 vinegar. Secondary switch, 1 rice, 2 salty Herba Mystica. Pepper, vinegar, salty, it all gets put on automatically. These rices, as usual, we're throwing them away. Throwing them away, bread, throw it away too, we're throwing everything away. Just like that, Dragon, level 3, level 3, level 3, title, shining encounter, you're good to go for 30 minutes, go find them shiny dragons. Fairy type, primary switch, 1 rice, 1 yogurt, 1 vinegar. Secondary switch, 1 rice, 2 salty Herba Mystica. Yogurt, vinegar, and salties, they get slathered on the bread. But this rice, it's not worthy. This rice, it's also not worthy. Bread, not worthy either. This is a fairy sandwich, level 3, level 3, level 3. Love to see it. Now you have a sandwich that all the fairy types are flocking to. Our final sandwich, rock, pay attention. This is the one weird one. Primary switch is going to do 1 bacon, 1 mustard, and 1 marmalade. Secondary switch is going to do 1 rice, 1 salty, 1 spicy. Very important here. You have to put 1 piece of bacon on the sandwich, throw away these other 2 pieces of bacon, and throw away the rice. So you have 1 single piece of bacon on this sandwich. For whatever reason, rock types need their bacon. And this Baconator has given us level 3, level 3, level 3. Love to see it. Rock types are coming for the bacon. Go find a shiny. There you have it, all 18 type sandwiches. No Herba Mystica used up at all. Sandwiches at most took 3 seconds to drop that rice. It's so quick. I made this little cheat sheet so that you can always quickly pull up and reference and remember what they are. If you want to take a screenshot, that's nice and real quick. Or if you want, I have linked down in the description below a download link to get that chart for yourself. I also need to give a quick shout out to the 2 content creators I couldn't have come up with this method without. I combined both of their methods to make this new, in my opinion, more optimal method. First is the legend himself, Austin John Plays. I've been using his co-op sandwich method since this video came out a year and however long ago when Scarlet Violet came out. This has been my main shiny hunting method. Austin is a legend. If you don't know him, you should. Then there is Hylianstagram, and I hope I'm saying that right, but I saw he did this rice drop method, but it was still using up Herba Mystica. So even though it was quick, he still had to use up Herba Mystica. That ties up my tongue, Herba Mystica. But yeah, I don't like hunting for the HMs. Let's call them HMs. I just don't like hunting for them. So I wanted to be able to just reuse my Herba Mystica as much as I could. And so I took both of theirs and combined them. If you want to watch their original videos, I've gone ahead and linked them in the description below. Give them a watch. Their videos are incredible. Austin is a legend. And with that, it's time for you to get shiny hunting. Go buy a ton of rice and start using this method. Let me know what you're going to hunt with it, and even better, let me know what shinies you get with this method. I really hope you have the best shiny luck. And go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you liked this video. I hope it helped you out, and best of shiny luck. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.